we are here at the junkyard again. And we're trying to find something specific, but we'll get to that part a little later. Right now, I just need to find some Chrysler 300, or at least some sort of limited one, which there is supposed to be a limited one around here. And as we can see, this is where, actually, let's look at that guy. That guy right there looks like, is that an El Camino? That can't be El Camino. I don't know. Or some should fail. Tail lights. Oh, it is an El Camino, yep. 1973 El Camino bikes. As you can see, there's a little rust right there. A little bit messed up. It's already crushed, I think. Yeah, this place is just a terrible swamp marsh today. I mean, it rained earlier, so you got nothing but a bunch of dirt and mud and just crap everywhere. Yeah, that's, wow, that's an old Jeep Cherokee, looks like. Lexus right there, old Jeep Cherokee. You got a Oldsmobile right there, Cadillac right there. Found one, 2005 Chrysler 300. The reason this car is so important to kind of look at is, because I'm trying to look for some seats, but those seats are kind of a little bit dry, cracked up. Yeah, this is mold. Yeah, it's no good. But let's see. Oh, thought it had an engine fire. It didn't, but if you're coming to buy this engine, I probably would not. It's all exposed to the atmosphere, but yeah, these seats there just no good. Now I'll explain why the seats are important at some point, but till then we just gotta keep searching. It's some random Ford Escort. I don't know why this thing is just lying in the middle of the, but unfortunately this little guy's probably gonna get crushed or put somewhere. Let's see, inside wise, burning hot. Oh, this smells just fascinating. Oh goodness. Well, yeah, I don't know. It's just a little Escort. Don't think it's the end of the world. 98. I think I'm trying to go back because we're gonna go see that BMW again, that little white one in the last video. I think something stood out, had some sort of M-Class kind of thing. Oh, and sorry about the video cutting out before. I ran out of space. And well, you know, can't film anything if you don't have any space for it. So had to just cut you out right there. More vehicles right there, out in the middle. Mercury was, what, the Pontiac? Yeah, it's a Pontiac. There's a Pontiac right there. Look at this, Pontiac. I was right. Back in the days, all these new electric cars, I have that whole singular tail light, headlight thingy. Well, all started right here. Wait, these do light up. No freaking way. No, do they? I think they do. Light bulbs right there. I think those are light sockets. Sorry, anyway, those little white things are white sockets. Wow, that's actually amazing. I think this has a V6. Car keys in there, yep. Car keys are, come on, phone focus. Car keys are right there. Somebody left their snack in here. Yep, somebody was snacking. And this interior does not smell bad. It smells like a regular old car interior. Let's see, 200 something thousand miles. Sorry. Yeah, 200, 300. I don't know. Honestly, I can't really see. Let's go to the other side. Swampville, USA. Let's go see if this door opens up. Of course it doesn't open up, guys. I don't know. I'm just walking around here and I look down here and I see this faceplate to this radio that looks extremely familiar. If I'm correct, this is the same radio in the last video from that Southern Comfort Edition Chevy, and the little, of course, Lego block. Whether you cared about that truck or not, I think they might have hauled it away. I can't see it. If they did, wow, that just goes to show. Oh no, it's right there, same truck. Oh, look at that, someone took the taillights, and then these are here. Someone took someone took one taillight. Must have found value in a faded out taillight. What? So apparently it probably, wow, look at that. They took that. Somebody took the top console, the lights, I guess that's the same. Yeah, this just goes to show people, I mean, the parts will be gone. Sometimes yeah, look at that. The radio's not there anymore, and it's probably not back there. Means it was, yeah, that's the radio. Somebody was probably like, what the heck was this old useless radio. I mean, useless, I don't know. Maybe somebody could figure it out. On our way to the BMW land, here's the Oldsmobile. That Cavalier's been there for a little bit, you know. Yep, the wheels are gone. Someone saw value in that. What else is around here that's interesting enough? There was a BMW. I think there was an old 80s, it was the 80s Audi, but it's not here anymore. All right, guys, where's the BMW? Oh, it's probably right. They're clearing that spot out. There's something we need to look at. BMW right here. Yeah, here it is. Somebody took the engine out, and I think I know exactly why. Wonder what's salvageable on this thing. Because if I'm correct, if this is legit, this BMW is a performance. So this might be an M class. See, look at that performance, unless somebody just threw a sticker on there. But let's see, this BMW, the tail lights. Oh, never mind, that one's busted. This one's fine. 5 Series. Unleaded premium. Yeah, premium. And you got your typical wasp, mud hornet theme, nest hornet theme, and Trojan Nirvana. Yep. Well, we definitely know it's probably been happening back here. Of course, M-class drivers. You know, I'm not gonna touch that. Don't want to touch that water either. But I really want to see whether this is a legitimate. Now, do I know BMW VIN numbers? No. Can I learn them? Definitely. See, everything is sporty. BMW, new, now hiring for event call, what the event booking? I have no idea what that is. Probably some nightclub. I don't know. I can't tell. But they definitely cared about making it fast. Here's that old Toyota Crusader. Took the parts, the seats. I'm very glad they did, because, you know, these cars fate. They're just going to get crushed. And that is actually a 6-cylinder. Probably based around or the predecessor to the 2JZ or something. Found Mercedes, old Mercedes. As much as I would like to stick around, it is almost closing time for this place. So we're going to have to save this Mercedes for the next round. But I think it's a diesel. It's definitely a diesel. Yep. But we'll come back and find that out. We'll find out about the Mercedes. But now we're gonna go back to the area. The primary purpose of finding those Chrysler seats was for this. This is the car that's in question. So this Chrysler is a 1973 Newport, and it's overall a pretty, well, I don't want to say solid. This car has some rust. It has some rust. And it does have, I mean, it runs, I think, so they wouldn't have drove it here if it didn't. I think that's a new ignition thingy and all that stuff. But, you know, those wheels don't look too bad. But look under here, you can already see some paint peel right there. You can see a spot right there. This thing is rusty back here, kinda. It's a little rusty right there. Look at that. You can see all that rust. Now this is fender rust. If you look under here, more in deftly, it doesn't look like the worst. It does not look like the worst. Sorry, you guys probably can't see if anyone's even seeing, but this thing, let's go around here. Rust right there. And all that stuff. And then you go under the body. We'll probably have to come back and look at this car more thoroughly. Because, sorry about that, because it needs a little more thorough explanation. The window needs to be fixed. We will definitely come back and review this car a little more in-depthly at some point, depending on factors, but it's sorry if the camera's not picking things up. Now the dash, surprisingly, is not cracked. It has 60-something thousand miles. Floors are, well, you can see where that goes. And of course the carpets are soaked because the window's not sealed, and but this is an old Chrysler Newport. These things were actually made in a time when Chrysler was pretty solid. Those back seats are not too bad, honestly, for what they are. So I'm just trying to make sure y'all can see. What does anyone think? Should we save this thing? Should we give this thing a restoration chance? Should we give this thing a second life, or should we just let, I don't know, whatever else happen? I don't know. We'll have to find out.